Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. Unfortunately, you do have an official cross. You had a bullish cross yesterday. You closed September 23rd. Pretty bullish. And then as of today, you completely canceled that and went down. The bad news is I can definitely see another leg down. Possibly tomorrow. I think today we're gonna keep going down, but I think tomorrow there's a very strong chance that we cross under 40K. Just being completely honest. I think on the daily right now, you had a nice retest close to the 200 MA. You almost broke above that 44K level. You hit 45. I actually thought we were going to go to 48, and I still think that we would have actually broken up to 48.7 if China didn't release the news that they're banning, that the central bank is banning all crypto transactions. Unfortunately, though, yeah, I do think that that Bitcoin is going to keep dropping. There's way too much bearish momentum. I think a big major support obviously is going to be that 39. Nice. Glad I have puts on Baba right now. Big support is going to be around that 40K level. If probably even close, yeah, 40K. So 40,500 is probably going to be a major support around this area right here. So you just watch it. If that gets broken and we start creating candles under 40K, we can see a big drop to 35.6. And I think that 35.6 drop, or the 36K drop, we can probably see it by this weekend if we keep dropping like this, to be honest. Everything looks super bearish. The weekly is still 100% bearish. We actually went on the reverse MACD from a 1640 level to we essentially doubled, right? The bearish momentum kind of doubled from last week to now, and all it's basically doing is tracking the candle drop percentages and the links. So we can see a big drop here, a point drop, and then you have a smaller point drop, and then you have a huge weekly point drop right here, right? So again, that 40K level, 39.9 level of Bitcoin is extremely important. And if that actually gets broken, you can expect further levels, further droppage. And I think consistently you can see something like, something playing out like this, where, if you do not recover fast, you might see Bitcoin do something like this, possibly recover something like right here. And then if we do not recover, you can see it drop all the way back down, right? So I can definitely see Bitcoin doing something like this, where you drop under support, drop down here to 35, 36K, run back up to like 42ish, maybe, or even over here at 40K retest, and then come back down. But if there starts to be no recovery on Bitcoin, expect maybe a move kind of similar to this happening within the next couple of weeks or so, because this is definitely not looking good for crypto right now, especially if you do have that break of 40K. But as of right now, I am biased towards the downside. I do think that there's a really strong chance that we break support, but who knows, right? As of right now, especially with the news that came out from China, like, it's pretty crazy. So we gotta wait and see what happens this weekend. But I wouldn't be surprised this weekend to see like a 36K Bitcoin. So I'll see you guys later.